Placing O-ring and ball in standard valve. Locate paper towel, valve repair kit, and tweezers. Lay a wet paper towel on top of the instrument to contain the ball if it falls. Remove the valve cap by pulling down evenly on both sides with your thumbnails. Remove the ball and O-ring from the cap. If the ball is not in the cap, hit the rinse button to make sure it is not stuck in the valve. Clean the cap and examine for damage. If needed, use a new cap from the valve repair kit. Place O-ring and the ball into the valve cap. Push cap evenly onto the end of the valve. Hit the rinse button to ensure the valve is no longer leaking. For more information, visit biocompinstruments.com.